How to transfer your posts to Google Docs on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your posts to Google Docs on Facebook Mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and here just click these three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings and go down until you find transfer a copy of your information. Click on it and here click next and then just click Google Docs and click on if you just want to transfer only your posts. Click on here and then click next and then just connect your Facebook with Google Docs, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video and then see you in the next video.